So the recipe and biscuits I'm about to show you go all the way back to the 1800s. They're called Cloud Biscuits. Now I call them Depression Cloud Biscuits because they made their comeback right around the Depression when people just didn't have money or food to make things. So often they would make these Cloud Biscuits, which were filling, nutritious, and good. Simple to make. So let's get into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the like button, and let's make these Cloud Biscuits. So I'm going to make a simple, easy pastry for after dinner or brunching, coffee and tea. I'm going to have it for after dinner tonight with a latte. So I'm making some Depression Cloud Biscuits is what they're called. So simple to make, so wonderful to eat. Only takes a few ingredients that you already have in your pantry. We're going to start with 3 eggs, and I'm going to use the 3 eggs, and you're going to separate them. You're going to separate the egg white from the yolk. So let's get the egg separated. Egg yolks away from the egg whites. There we go. And we want 3 eggs. The one thing I learned years ago is when you're making egg whites, if you even get a speck of egg yolk, you have ruined the whites. You got to start over. Cannot have any yolk in that egg white. Okay, so we're going to get these whipped into white peaks. Now, egg whites are one of those things you just cannot rush. And you want to whip it until you get some nice, good peaks like this. Once it reaches the white peak, stop or it'll collapse. Right. Next thing we're going to do is mix the other ingredients together. We're going to mix in the 3 egg yolks, 1 cup of flour. We are going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to add in just a pinch of salt. And we're going to put in 1/4 of a cup of whipping cream. We're going to mix all that together like so. Real simple recipe. Easy to make. Very few ingredients. There we go. So we've got this mixed together. It's like a dough. You see that? Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold in the egg whites. That's all. Fold them in there. No stirring, we're just kind of tossing and blending. Fold them in. See how nice that's mixing up? Fold in the egg whites. That's all we're doing. Fold them in there. And the purpose of folding and not mixing, whipping, or stirring is because you want these to be fluffy. If you do anything other than folding, you will make the dough collapse when it cooks. So just fold and fold. All right, now I'm going to use my air fryer. You can use an oven. If you're going to bake these in an oven, you're going to preheat your oven to 375 and let them cook 10 to 12 minutes. I'm using the air fryer. Whenever you use an air fryer, because you're working with a conventional type oven, and it's a smaller space, you'll want to set the temperature at least 20% lighter, less intense, so that you don't burn what it is you're cooking. So I'm going to set ours at 325 in the convectional air fryer. And I'm going to use the bake control of it. Then we're going to check them in 8 to 10 minutes. So now all you're going to do is drop these on your cookie sheet. And I'm going to use parchment paper, which helps me get them off there easier. And we're just going to drop them on with a spoon. Like so. Minutes at 325. The time it took to make my lattes, the biscuits have cooked. And let's get them out of the air fryer oven, place them here. You can take a look at what they look like. Look how beautiful those turned out. Simple, easy, quick. Just nice little depression Cloud Biscuits. Now they call them depression biscuits because during the Depression, you didn't have a whole lot to work with when it came to making just simple household treats or biscuits for dinner. So what we have here is just a simple, easy recipe. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make these pop. I have homemade preserves, strawberry, that I made way back in April. So now we're going to place just a few on top of the biscuit. A little bit of strawberry preserve like that. Homemade strawberry preserves. And let's put just a sprinkle of powdered sugar on that, which will just make it prettier. Isn't that nice? Beautiful. So now comes the fun part. We get to enjoy these. So I'm going to go take Kevin his latte, his biscuits. I'm going to take mine, and we're going to have a peaceful evening watching television. Thank you for coming along. Please give me a thumbs up and like the video. Come along for every video I make. Comment. Tell me what you think. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Till next time, you do you, boo. Take care of yourself. Ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.